In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create table in LibreOffice. If you're working on a document and want a clean way to organize information, adding a table is one of the easiest and most useful tools available in LibreOffice. Tables are great for structuring text, comparing details, or laying out data in a way that's much easier to read. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to insert one directly into your document. To begin, open LibreOffice. Once the program is launched and your document is in front of you, take a moment to look at the page and decide where you want the table to appear. This is important because the table will be inserted wherever your text cursor is currently placed. Next, click in the area of the document where you want the table to go. You'll want to make sure the cursor is positioned exactly where the table should be inserted, whether that's in the middle of a page, underneath a heading, or below some existing text. Setting the placement first helps avoid having to move the table later. After that, move your attention to the top of the LibreOffice window. In the toolbar, find the Insert Table drop-down field. Once you click it, a small grid-style drop-down will appear. This grid lets you visually choose the size of your table. Now hover your mouse over the boxes in that drop-down. As you move across the grid, LibreOffice will highlight a certain number of columns and rows. This makes it easy to preview the table size before inserting it. For example, if you need a simple layout, you might choose a few columns and a few rows. If you need more space for categories and entries, you can select a larger grid. When you've highlighted the number of columns and rows you want, click to confirm your selection. LibreOffice will immediately insert the table into your document at the position of your cursor. At this point, the table is already created and ready to use. You can start typing into the cells right away and fill it with whatever content you need. If you're planning ahead, it can be helpful to think about how many sections your information needs before choosing the table size. But the key step here is simply selecting the layout you want from the drop-down grid. And that's it. That's how to create a table in LibreOffice. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and natural part of formatting your documents.